How to add emojis to photos on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open your Photos app. Here we go. Now open the photo in which you want to add the emoji. Here I'm gonna open this one. After you open it, at the top right you will find the option of edit. Tap on it. Now tap on this markup icon. Now at the bottom right you will find this plus icon. Tap on it. Select the option of text. Now over here you will find this text box. You have to double tap on it. With that your keyboard will pop up. Now tap on this emoji icon. Now from here you can select any of the emoji that you want to include in your photo. Now you can just place this emoji, and after you are done you can tap on the option of done given at the top right. And with that you have just added emoji to your photos. So this is how you can add emojis to photos on your iPhone without using third-party apps. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.